have that bag when you came in here.
We're gonna beat you.
Well, you got pretty banged up, but your powers are already working their magic. No signs of permanent damage.
I guess the only real loss today was our mission.
Yeah.
No, we'll find another way to get the field generator. And besides, we did have another win today. We took down a powerful metahuman without our powers. That's a good reminder that even when Cicada dampens us, we have other ways to fight. Hello? Iris? Dwyer's gone. I'll get Iris.
I got nothing in here.
Ditto upstairs.
Yeah, there's no evidence here that points to where he went.
Did you find that device you needed? Maybe we don't need it. I know how to give the cure to Cicada. I know his weakness.
Pardon. Did I offer you a refill?
Oh,
no,
gosh.
no, wait. I need to tell you something. Don't be alarmed. I'm not a stalker. I'm a detective. This is how I knew all these facts about you. I deduced them. It's immodest to say, but I happen to be quite good at it.
Prove it.
Pardon?
Show me. Do that guy.
Challenge accepted.
Great.
So, if you look at the size of his drink, small relative to his body mass, and the hesitation, but also the enjoyment with which he consumes his beverage, it's elementary. This is a man who has a dairy allergy, but still prefers to drink milk lattes, but not without consequence. So wait for it, and... Et voila.
Oh my God. You are really good at this.
Like I say, it's a modest talent, but I must apologize for, how do they say, creeping you out. But if perhaps you would allow yourself to forgive me, then I could buy you a tea to make it up to you.
Well, I have to go to work now. But-
all right.
but,
No. Yes, of course.
You can call me sometime.
Really? Well. Merci. I look forward to some time.
Me too.
So.
Thanks.
Oh, you all right?
Oh gosh, I guess I should have started ballet when I was 3, right?
Of course. Yes.
Okay, bye.
Au revoir, Miss Adler. You're amazing. You're meta. Computer on. Close Northwest Allen file. Open Cicada casework. Right. He will not harm you. If your mission is successful, your secret is safe. And you and I are free to continue what we started.